Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a teardown on the glorious Model O mouse. We're going to be tearing it down with this screwdriver, so if you're interested, links will be down in the description below. Okay, so the first step on tearing down this mouse is to tear down these feet here. I'm not sure if we need to do all four or two, but let's find out. We're going to be using this thin metal pick. If you have something thicker, you can use it, but the thinner, the better. And you just kind of come at it from an angle. You can see right there, we're starting to pry it off. Start peeling it off. You can see one of the bolts is right there. Okay, next we'll come at our other one. And these are pretty easy to pry off without a heat gun, so no fancy tools needed here. And now that we have the back ones pried off, now we're gonna work on getting these front ones off. So I just pried one open. You can see there is no screw inside, so if you are doing this, do not do the front ones, only the rear ones here to get to the two screws in the back. Okay, now we're going to use a Phillips head to unscrew these, and you can see they're pretty easy to access. Now that we have the two screws popped off, now all we got to do is pry it open, and it's really easy. I'm already seeing that it's coming apart here fairly easily, and I'm barely applying any pressure. So let's go ahead and peel this off. And you can see it's coming off, but be very careful if you are doing this. There is a lot of cables inside, as you can see. I'm seeing about 3 cables plugged in here, 3 ribbon cables, so make sure to use caution and do not tug this hard, or you likely will rip it and damage the components or the cables here. Okay, so in order to remove these 2 black cables, what I did was pull these black bars slightly up, and then you can see once they're up, the ribbon becomes loose and you can just pull it out. If you want to put it back in, you just put the ribbon back in and then push it down and it'll secure on there. Next we'll be removing the cable here, and that is attached to the front, and on the side here all we do is pull it up. You can see it just wraps around the logic board, and then the cables just attach via the white bit here. So what I'm seeing is don't pull the entire white component. There's like a little top piece up here. You want to pull that top half up there and not the lower part. That way you don't damage any of the components here. I'm gonna grab my little tweezers here. It's a little hard with my fingernails. I could do it, I just don't want to damage anything, but let's go ahead and try that. And just like that, we have it peeled off nice and easy. So now we can get this cable out of the way, and it'll be a lot easier to remove the rest of the pieces on the mouse here. Next we'll be unscrewing these 2 bolts here, and that's going to be with a regular Phillips head. So there's one right there and one right there. There goes one. Then let's go ahead and get the second one off here. And there goes 2. Okay, so I just pried this off, and you can see in order to pry the bottom piece off, you have to apply pressure on this white piece backwards as you're prying it up. So let me demonstrate on the other side here. And there we go. Okay, now we have the front pried open, so it's kind of loose here, and then we also have the back open. Now all that's left to do is take off this black bolt, and then the rest of the component should be able to come right off. Okay, now this is off, and let's see if it comes off. There we go. We took off the board off of the base of the mouse, and now we have access to everything here on the main piece of the mouse. Now if you want to remove the scroll wheel, the round piece, this circle bit over here, the way you do that is you pull it left and then up, and then it comes right off like that. And then this wheel will be attached to a little piece inside, and all you got to do is tilt that and it comes right out. Okay, so this is all taken care of. There's really not much left to take off here. The rest is all soldered on. So you will need a soldering machine if you want to take off or replace any of the cabling here. So we'll put this aside. And then the next thing that we can check out is the top shell of the mouse. And the top shell only has these gray bits that can be removed. So we'll go ahead and work on that. So same process. We're just going to use our screwdriver. And we're going to go ahead and do these 4 screws here. Here's 1 screw, 2, and then once we get one side taken off, you can see the gray piece just comes right off. And then this we'll just put aside here. And then the other one, same thing. So the way I pulled this out was I got the front piece, kind of wiggled it, and it looks like it got loose. And now it looks like I should be able to pull it out if I just play with it a little here. Okay, and then this comes right off, and now we have the second one off. So there we have it. We have the mouse fully taken apart, all of the pieces. It's fairly simple teardown, nothing too complicated here. If you're trying to repair your mouse or just clean it, you know, hopefully this video is helpful. And if you are interested in any of the tools used in this video, I'll leave the link down in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.